Temperature was 80 degrees. The National Weather Service has issued Tornado Watch number 98, effective until midnight Thursday, or 1 a.m. Thursday. This watch includes the following counties: in Illinois, Edwards, Wabash and White, and the following counties: in Indiana, Gibson, Pike, Posey, Spencer, Vanderburgh and Warwick, and the following counties: in Kentucky, Henderson and Union. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, Tornado Watch number 98 has been issued until midnight Thursday, or 1 a.m. Thursday for the following counties: in Illinois, Edwards, Wabash and White, and the following counties: in Indiana, Gibson, Pike, Posey, Spencer, Vanderburgh and Warwick, and the following counties: in Kentucky, Henderson and Union.